Hey everyone, it's Norm here from IMCARS. Welcome back to our YouTube channel where we are well into 2023 now, but I wanted to do a quick recap on the previous year, 2022, and show you guys the insane amount of money that YouTube paid me for putting some videos out. So this is purely informative. You know, a lot of people who watch YouTube don't understand that pretty much everyone gets paid if you have over 1,000 subscribers. And obviously, the big channels make a huge living out of it. We're talking millions and millions of dollars of revenue. But I wanted to share the insane amount of revenue that I made in 2022. All right, so let's get right into the analytics of how much YouTube paid me in 2022. So, starting with just some quick facts about our channel. In 2022, we published 115 videos. So, an average of almost 10 a month, one every 3 days for an entire year, which, let me tell you, it's a lot of work. We were pretty consistent throughout the whole year, except for December. I was away, and I just took a break, so didn't post that much in December, only a couple videos. We got, in the year of 2022, 921,809 views. And that amassed 64,942 hours of watch time. It's a lot of watch time. And we gained 2,328 subscribers. So thank you to all the new subscribers that we got through the whole year. Very appreciative. And this year, we want to grow that even bigger. We really want to grow this channel actually like big. We want to be well known in Calgary for YouTube. So if you're watching this and you're not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, help us out. And now I will tell you the insane amount that YouTube paid me month by month. So in the month of January, YouTube paid me $139.95. In the month of February, YouTube paid me $112.36. In the month of March, YouTube paid me $152.07. And in April, this was a big month. We published a police video, which always does really good on our channel. And that, you can see, made $2,297.86. So that's, you know, the power of YouTube. You post a video that does good, you can be making $2,000 plus a video. So just keep that in mind to any of you who are trying to, you know, like I said, make this side income or a full-time income. There's potential there if you know what you're doing. In May, we made $406.68, so that obviously had a little bit of a trickle-on effect from that video the month before. In June, we made $274.54. In July, we made $289.61. In August, we made $425.40, so we had a pretty strong month there. In September, we made $329.12. Now, going into these final few months of October, November, and December, something to give you guys a little bit more information about YouTube is this is the time of year where advertisers actually start paying more to put their ads on YouTube videos. It's because, you know, it's a time of year where Christmas is coming, people are spending more, holiday season, so the actual ad rates for those 3 months go up drastically compared to January that we're in right now, where they like pay nothing. They've spent their ad budget. They're not paying hardly anything right now in January. So that is another tip that why you'll see a lot of creators on the big creators post a lot of their like super viral, super interesting videos in December, because they know that the videos that do better, they will get a higher ad rate and therefore make more money. So very smart business decision from large creators that you likely watch. So in October, we made $264.35. In November, we made $215.34. And in December, like I said, I only posted a couple videos. I was away and just taking a break from it. So I kind of did the opposite of what what the large creators do, which is generate a ton of income in December. And I made $157.83. So those of you that are very good with math, you will see that in the year of 2022, YouTube paid me $5,065.11. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video showing you the insane amount of income that YouTube paid me in 2022. Obviously, this is not my primary job at all. That amount of money will not pay my bills by any means, but again, this was more kind of an educative and informative video to show that maybe if you're looking for a little bit of a side hustle and side income just to make a little bit extra on the side, you can make a YouTube channel about just about anything and get paid to do so. So with that, I am interested in hearing your guys' comments down below. You know, did you guys think I made more money on YouTube, less money on YouTube? As well as what else you'd like to see on the channel in 2023. We are very focused on growing this channel, and more so as a passion project and for fun than the income side of it. You know, I really want to get that subscriber plaque. I want to get up to 100,000 subscribers just for that plaque. The money is just kind of an added bonus on the side. So with that, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.